Welcome to May's monthly release highlights for Customer Identity Cloud. We'll go over this month's new available features. Generally available features. Auth Challenge for bot detection. Auth Challenge is the new default bot detection response that offers an invisible, frictionless alternative to CAPTCHA. Auth Challenge uses a series of non-intrusive challenges to make it tougher on bots but frictionless for users, raising costs to attackers while keeping the user interaction as simple as clicking a checkbox. Enhanced bot detection with third-party bot score. Bot detection with Okta AI already detects 80% of bot traffic without any impact on the customer experience. Using machine learning models, we constantly train, validate, and iterate our bot detection in response to adversaries and their tactics. This upgrade combines the capabilities of our customer identity machine learning model with third-party bot scoring, significantly enhancing our ability to identify and thwart bots more effectively and safeguarding against malicious traffic. The fourth-generation bot detection includes a major update in our machine learning architecture that allows for faster model releases and a range of detection algorithms. Our testing indicates a potential increase in bot detection by up to 25%, all while maintaining minimal impact on legitimate user traffic. This feature upgrade is available to all our enterprise customers who subscribe to the Attack Protection add-on. We are currently rolling out this enhancement and expect to complete the process within the next few weeks, aligned with your individual release schedules. Highly regulated identity. Our first financial services targeting offering is now generally available. Phase 1 of HRI delivers financial-grade identity for sensitive scenarios beyond login using strong customer authentication and financial-grade API protocols FAPI. It's built on financial industry standards and regulations, a benchmark for security and privacy. However, the use cases for HRI extend beyond just financial transactions. Across industries, it helps with securing any sensitive actions post-login with MFA. Maybe a customer wants to change their address on a food delivery app, or maybe they need to update their phone number with their favorite airline. This means you can provide the strongest possible safeguards while still delivering an experience that keeps your customers coming back. Change in team member invite on Teams dashboard. Starting May 2nd, team owners with accounts created using username and password would need to verify their email address before they are allowed to invite other members to the team from the Teams dashboard. Email verification only applies to team owner accounts created using username and password and does not apply to team owner accounts created using enterprise and social connections. Versal integration. We're very excited to announce that Auth0 is now listed in the Versal marketplace. This makes it even easier for developers to provide authentication in their apps using Auth0. Soon, we will also have a sample app available in the Versal template marketplace. The sample SaaS app will allow devs to easily explore, experiment, and gain experience with key B2B customer identity functionality. Let's wrap up with a look at early access features. Forms for Actions is a new visual editor that allows you to build custom forms that can be used to extend your login and sign-up flows with additional steps and business logic. Some of the key capabilities of Form for Actions include pre-built components with front-end and back-end validations, custom business logic with out-of-the-box integrations with third parties, a controlled and secure experience within your tenant's domain, and consistent branding experience with universal login. Using Forms for Actions enables you to build use cases like progressive profiling, custom policies acceptance, custom sign-up or login steps. Personalization has never been easier. Flexible identifiers now available in open early access. We are pleased to announce the release of flexible identifiers, enhancing your ability to customize authentication processes. This feature allows the use of multiple attributes such as email, phone number, and username as unique identifiers, either individually or in combination, to authenticate users, including the option to configure phone number as a sole identifier. Key capabilities include the ability to configure multiple identifiers for enhanced security and user experience, and tailor login experiences to fit specific user and security requirements. Thorough testing in a development environment is recommended before deployment. We're implementing this release in a staggered approach. It could take between 1 to 4 weeks for these changes to be visible in your dashboard. Review the limitations page in our documentation for detailed information on feature constraints. Flexible identifiers are designed to provide a more adaptable, secure, and user-friendly authentication environment. Explore this new feature to enhance your platform's functionality and security. Team activity. Teams provides a platform to simplify viewing and management of environments, tenants, and tenant members from a single team's dashboard. We've updated the team's dashboard to include a new report called Team Activity under the Reports section. Team Activity allows team owners to view and audit event logs generated by team members. Team owners now have visibility to events such as team member invitations, team member role changes, changes to the team security policies, and changes to the team settings. Team Activity Early Access is now available on the Enterprise plan. JSON Web Token Profile for Auth0 Access Tokens. With this release, we are adopting an identity industry standard to maximize compatibility and interoperability with other solutions, as well as reusability of community tools. You will be able to opt in to use the new profile for your access tokens on a per API basis. Leveraging our Actions Code Editor, you can set up any email provider using the custom email provider to give you full control of the email delivery process. While the primary use case is to deliver messages to providers that are not supported by the default email options, other use cases include retrying failures, changing recipients, changing message payload, and creating organization-specific logic. Okta Education Services is excited to announce new Customer Identity Cloud on-demand training content available for admins, developers, and security professionals. Visit okta.com/training to learn more and register. Thanks for viewing the Customer Identity Cloud monthly release highlights. Information and documentation on the latest updates can be found at auth0.com/changelog.